Hi, Johnny.
Hi.
Johnny's gonna help me pull the hood real quick before I do anything else.
I know we have 3 extra kids here that's over for a play date, and you don't want to leave them unattended very long.
That's why I'm out here, so I can leave them unattended. What it is, I put these spacer blocks under here because I felt like it was just going to fall on them, and it did. But let's see. Now might be this might be a blooper reel when this thing is flipping and tries to flip over the top. Tell you what, here. Hold on.
I got it. Just go.
Just go.
Just go.
All right, we'll see. All right, go on number 2. It's going to try to flip over. Okay. So if you need to get a different,
Do you want me to get behind it?
it might be best.
To get in it?
I don't know about getting in it, but can you stand up on the lift right there? There you go. And push against it. You got it? Here we go. All right. Well, what you got? All right. You want to get down?
You got it?
Yep. Good. All right. Awesome. My wife says I'm not showing you guys enough. Sorry, I'm not a video guy. I just work. I'm going to remove the cowl vent that goes under the dash. It's cracked in here. I remember seeing that. It's pretty, got some wear on it. And then plus I have a little rust hole here in the back. Probably had leaves or something stacked up on it. So I need to have it out of the way so I can repair it anyways. So they had 8 screws in it. Pulled the screws out, dropped one inside. So that's the first thing you do. When you get one out, just do this. And then that way you know you're already done with it and you can catch the rest of them. Okay? So actually I have no idea how this thing is put in there, so I'm guessing it's probably got a maybe some type of gasket or glue. So I'll give it a little pull. Yeah, I feel it turning loose. Sweet. Nice.
And you want to tell them what that was attached to so that they can...
Let's fish 2 screws out real quick first before they're gone. And leaves and everything else. Now they're still in there. What was attached to what? What
The
was your
little
question?
tube on
This
the
tube?
little hole.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, actually it poured out from underneath here. So that's pretty cool. So so anything that ran in here actually was supposed to run out. If you can see back behind there.
Yes, I can see the hole.
Okay, it runs out behind. So this way you can get fresh air inside your Bronco. Or lock it up.
There's your screws.
On the ground now. Awesome. That's pretty neat. Like I said, I'm learning this stuff. So you guys have done this before. You've seen all these parts. Well, this is interesting to me because it's not a Mustang. Not saying anything bad about Mustangs. I needed something new, a different challenge. So now this opens this hole up. Let's see what we have here. Yeah. Well, if you can come around here, Joni. This is much worse than it looks. I mean, it's not as bad as it looks anyways. We have hole here, it's compromised here. But I can remove the fender and I can rebuild this fairly easy. Replace all this, that way we don't get any more water inside the Bronco, because apparently that's been bad for some time. One of my other Broncos has some type of vent. Again, maybe some type of fresh air vent that goes here and wraps back around the other side. I bought this one without it. I don't know if that's a standard item or not. I'll find out. If it is, I'll get one. Come find out this one's got a little hole here too. It's kind of in the vertical plane right there. Again, it's really not bad. And if people that aren't
This is the
welders,
original color.
it is that.
Oh, I like that. That's pretty.
Yeah. Well, but it's got two colors on it. I've seen. You can show them the door over there. It's another. Well, I guess you can see it on the firewall in here. Sort of a. See, I see a lighter blue here and a darker green there. So maybe somebody painted it this lighter blue. I was thinking it was this kind of a seafoam. Yeah, because that seafoam color there is over the top of that green. So apparently this Bronco is originally green. I'll have to research the color. Well, actually that looks like it, don't it?
That does look like it.
So would that be two-tone, maybe the seafoam and green? That would be odd.
Well, maybe they're like you and they use a cheaper paint to spray the inside.
No. What do you mean, like me and cheaper?
Well, not
I
cheaper,
don't
but
do
just.
anything cheaper.
I'm not
Everything I do is expensive.
Yeah, I'm not saying cheaper, but like
Oh, throw off on me? Okay.
the the bed liner stuff.
Right. No, that's not bed liner.
Well, I know it's not bed liner. I'm just saying maybe that was just something. Hey, let's just
Yeah.
use this instead of using the other stuff.
Mm.
I mean, 'cause there it is again.
Yeah, it's all over it. Cool.
But then you look back behind there.
Yeah.
It's also green.
Green, and then it definitely makes you wonder.
I think it was green.
Yeah, because this is oversprayed on that lighter color is oversprayed on top of the.
Well, maybe it was
Nice.
whoever was trying to repair it, and they just wanted to try to cover up some rust spots.
I don't know. They went about it the wrong way.
Well, of course. That's why we have it now. So we can do it the right way.